안녕하세요 여러분, 하영이에요. 오랜만이죠. 이사하고 뭐 하고 하느라 좀 정신이 없었는데 오늘 오랜만에 영화를 보러 가기로 해서 저는 이제 준비를 마치고 나가요. 이거 웃기죠? 그럼 이제 한 1분만 더 하고 조금 있다가 뽑고 나갈게요. 저는 이제 나가야 돼서 이거 앞머리 풀고 나갈게요. 오늘도 잠을 얼마 못 자고 그랬더니 다크서클이랑 눈이 좀 많이 부었네요. 그러면 나가볼게요. 그럴까?
Ow. Talk to him. I mean, sometimes you got people going against you and you just gotta go above and beyond all that. Let's go. Straight up the top, just so you know, ain't no stopping us. Yeah, I see you been watching us. You could try, but you better off. I ain't a spectate from the audience. Why you hating from the bleachers? Cheerleaders is loving us. Grab a pom-pom, baby. Last year we was last place, this year we in first. We was hungry for the title, now we quenching our thirst. You was on your best behavior, yeah, we on our worst. Killing the competition, rolling around in a hearse. Life is like chess, except it ain't a game. Some pawns remain pawns, some pawns become kings. Think before you move, think 3 steps ahead. Peep game, protect queen. Some rooks get took, some knights get swiped, some bishops get slain. I'ma tell you like my homie told me, life is like chess except it ain't a game. So when you gotta want it, you know my team want it, you know my team want it. You ain't no stopping us.
일 끝나고 집에 왔는데 하늘이 너무 예뻐요.
You almost got it. Sometimes he catches it with one paw and it's impressive. So close, so close. Where's Mr. Fox? Mr. Fox is not here. Surprised. Ziggy, we need to come get one. No. Okay. I'll put one up here.
Jeez, she really likes
말씀. 얘 진짜 돼지다.
I love the little mustache.
You're gonna come down? I don't know if you can get down to the end. Huh? Good height. Is anybody else coming down? Anybody? That one over there. And you jump down here. And now you can come jump up here. Come on. Yes, there's his stretch first. Major, you're so lazy. Come on, it'll be well worth it to show everyone. You're using your valuable time.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
Good job. Good job, buddy. You can have another one now because you did good. Ah, that was my finger. Good job, buddy. I'm proud. It did take you long enough though. Jelly, jump. There we go. That was a little bit less than what you usually get up to, but that's okay. Good job. Alright, Ziggy, come here. Come here, Ziggy. So precious. Raksha. Hello. Little fluff.
이건 없어.
Thanks.
귀여워.
Should we do one more, Rolo? Should we do one more? You wanna go up higher? Go up higher? You ready? Catch you. Come here. Come on. I love that little chirp she does beforehand.